Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain continued differentiability problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. This is in the form of variable power variable. Okay, we should applying logarithms on both sides. Applying logarithms on both sides. Log of x to the power y is equal to log of e to the power x minus y. Okay, we have one formula. Log of m to the power n is equal to n into log m. N into log m. Okay, by using that formula, so y log x, this is nothing but y into log x is equal to x minus 1, x minus y into log e. Okay, log e base c. So log e base c value 1. So this is nothing but x minus y. Y log x equal to x minus y. But our target is dy by dx. Okay, this minus y term bring the left side. Y log x plus y is equal to x. In this one y take out common. Log x plus 1 is equal to x. Therefore y is equal to x by log x plus 1. Where y is equal to x by log x plus 1. So by using u by v formula. Okay. Okay. We should apply u by v formula. U by v. So dy by dx equal to v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx by v square. Okay, this is u by v formula. In this formula on u we place in substitute x and log x plus 1. Therefore dy by dx equal to v. V for denominator log x plus 1 into d by dx of u x minus x into d by dx of log x plus 1. This whole divided by log x plus 1 whole square. Okay, log x plus 1 into this dx get cancelled. X into derivative of log x is 1 by x. Differentiation of 1 0. Okay, by log x plus 1 whole square. In this x get cancelled. Plus 1 minus 1 also get cancelled. Answer is log x by log x plus 1 whole square. Okay, this is the answer. Let us go to the next problem. X into under root 1 plus y into under root 1 plus x equals 0. Then find out dy by dx. Okay. How can solve this problem? Okay. One term bring the right side and squaring on both sides. X into root 1 plus y equal to minus y times of root 1 plus x. Okay. Now squaring on both sides. So this is x square into root get cancelled 1 plus y equal to y square into 1 plus x. Now this x square multiply with 1 plus y, x square into 1 x square into y, x square y equal to y square plus y square x. Okay, this plus y square bring the left side, x square y bring the right side. This will be x square minus y square equal to y square x minus x square y. Now by using a square minus b square we have x minus y into x plus y formula. On right side minus xy take out common, minus xy. Okay, minus xy take out common, remaining x minus y. One x minus y get cancelled on both sides. Okay, what we get? X plus y is equal to minus xy. Okay, now I say that plus xy bring the left side, x bring the right side, y plus xy is equal to minus x. One y take out common on left side, y into 1 plus x is equal to minus x. Therefore, y is equal to minus x by 1 plus x. Okay, by using u by v formula. Now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Okay, y value we got it minus x by 1 plus x. Okay, now differentiation, our target is dy by dx. So differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of y, we get dy by dx. So minus 1 into, so according to u by v formula, v into differentiation of u, d by dx of x, minus x into d by dx of 1 plus x, this whole divided by 1 plus x whole square, v square. Okay, so minus of 1 plus x into, in this dx get cancelled, minus x into derivative of 1 plus x, differentiation of 1 0 and x derivative 1 by 1 plus x whole square. In this one x get cancelled, so answer is minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Y value given, then find out 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square. So d square y by dx square means this is double derivative of y. Okay, so what is given? Y is equal to sine inverse x. So now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of y, we get y1. So differentiation of sine inverse x, 1 by root 1 minus x square. Okay, by 1 cross product. Okay, let us do cross product. Y1 into root 1 minus x square is equal to 1. Okay, so now squaring on both sides. Y1 square into 1 minus x square is equal to 1. Okay, again derivative with respect to x on both sides. So d by dx of y1 square into 1 minus x square is equal to d by dx of 1. Okay, so constant derivative 0. On left side we should apply uv formula. uv, u into y1 square into d by dx of v plus v into differentiation of u, where u place and right y1 square equal to 0. Okay, y1 square into differentiation of 1 0 minus x square differentiation minus 2x, 1 minus x square into differentiation of y1 square 2y1, but y1 differentiation y2. So y1 square differentiation 2y1. So by using chain rule, derivative of y1 is y2. Okay, in this 2y1 get cancelled, 2y1. Okay, so remaining this is positive, negative value bring the right side. 1 minus x square into y2 is equal to xy1. Okay, 1 minus x square into, where y2 means d square y by dx square. So answer is x dy by dx. So what is the answer? X dy by dx. Okay, now moving on, next question. D by dx of cos inverse of 4x cube by 27 minus x. Okay, so by using substitution method, let us take x is equal to 3 cos theta. X is equal to 3 cos theta. Therefore cos theta equal to x by 3. Theta equal to cos inverse of x by 3. Theta equal to cos inverse of x by 3. Okay, now d by dx of cos inverse, write x place in 3 cos theta, 4 into 3 cube cos cube theta by 27 minus 3 cos theta. In this 3 cube get cancelled. Okay, so d by dx of cos inverse 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This formula is cos 3 theta. Okay, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This formula we have cos 3 theta. Okay, So cos inverse of cos 3 theta is nothing but 3 theta. In this 3 constant, d by dx of what is theta? Theta value, write cos inverse of x by 3. Okay, therefore 3 times of, so differentiation of cos inverse x by 3. We have differentiation of cos inverse x. Differentiation of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. Okay, we should applying this formula, minus 1 by under root, where x place and write x by 3. Okay, 1 minus x by 3 whole square into d by dx of x by 3. Okay, we should apply chain rule, d by dx of x by 3. Okay, in this, okay, therefore we got it this value. So minus 3 by under root 1 minus x by 3 whole square is x square by 9 into, in this 1 by 3 constant, so differentiation of x is 1. Okay, 3 get cancelled, minus 1 by, let us do LCM, 9 minus x square, root 9 minus x square by root 9. Root 9 is nothing but 3. So answer is, so answer will be minus 3 by root 9 minus x square. So this is answer. Okay, look at the next question. Find the value of d by dx of sine inverse 3x by 2 minus x cube by 2. Okay, so by using substitution method, let us take x is equal to 2 sine theta. Okay, 2 sine theta. Therefore sine theta equal to x by 2. Theta is equal to sine inverse of x by 2. Now write d by dx of sine inverse of 3 into, write expression 2 sine theta. 2 sine theta by 2 minus x cube. 2 sine theta whole cube, 8 sine cube theta by 2. 1 2 get cancelled, 2 to get cancelled. So d by dx of sine inverse 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta, this will be sine 3 theta. Okay, sine 3 theta formula. So d by dx of, where sine inverse of sine 3 theta is nothing but 3 theta. 3 constant, differentiation of theta. What is theta value? Theta value, right, sine inverse of x by 2. Okay, we have derivative of sine inverse x. So derivative of sine inverse x formula, 1 by root 1 minus x square. Okay, so 3 into, so differentiation of sine inverse of x by 2, where x place and write x by 2, 1 by under root 1 minus x by 2 whole square into derivative of x by 2. Okay, by using chain rule. Okay, so 3 times of, in this 1 by 2 constant, differentiation of x1 under root, so let us do LCM. What is LCM? 4 LCM. Okay, 4 minus x square by root 4. Root 4 value 2. 1 2 get cancelled. So what is the answer? 3 by under root 4 minus x square. 3 by under root 4 minus x square. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 6. D by dx of sine square cot inverse of root 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Okay, we have to find this value. So by using substitution method, let us take x is equal to cos 2 theta. Okay, why? Because we have 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to 2 sin square theta. Okay. Okay, therefore 2 theta equal to cos inverse x. Theta equal to half cos inverse x. Where theta equal to half cos inverse x. Right. So d by dx of sine square cot inverse under root 1 plus, Write expression cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta by 1 minus cos 2 theta. This is equal to d by dx of sin square cot inverse under root 1 plus cos 2 theta. We have 2 cos square theta by this is 2 sin square theta. In this one 2 get cancelled. Under root cos square by sin square, this is cot square theta. Root cot square theta is nothing but cot theta. Okay, now we got it, this value 2 get cancelled. D by dx of sin square cot inverse root under cos square by sin square cot square theta. Root cot square theta is nothing but cot theta. So d by dx of sin square. So cot inverse of cot theta is nothing but theta. Okay. So differentiation of sin square theta. We have sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay. So 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. In this 1 by 2 constant, the differentiation of 1 0 minus differentiation of cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta value x. Okay, cos 2 theta place in right x. So this is minus 1 by 2. So dx get cancelled. This is minus 1 by 2. Since where cos 2 theta value x. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So differentiation of cos x degrees. Okay, so 4 options are given. So 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radians. Okay, so write d by dx of cos of x degrees, x into pi by 180. So differentiation of cos function is minus sine. So minus sine x into pi by 180 into differentiation of this angle pi by 180 into x. Okay, so according to chain rule, so minus sine x into pi by 180 is nothing but x degrees. In this one pi by 180 constant into differentiation of x will be 1. So what is the answer? Minus pi by 180 sine x, second option, minus pi by 180 into sine x degrees. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So y value given, then we have to find dy by dx. Okay, so y is equal to log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x power 1 by 4. This 1 by 4 times of log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x minus this right as it is 1 half tan inverse x. Okay, we have this formula log m to the power n is equal to n into log m. N into log m. So 1 by 4 times of log of this value. So y is equal to 1 by 4 times of, we have log a by b formula, log a minus log b. Log 1 plus x minus log 1 minus x minus half tan inverse x. Okay, now applying derivative with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of y, we get dy by dx. So 1 by 4 times of differentiation of log 1 plus x, 1 by 1 plus x minus differentiation of log 1 minus x. This will be 1 by 1 minus x into minus 1. The derivative of 1 minus x is minus 1. Half times of derivative of tan inverse x, 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, so 1 by 4 times of, okay, let us do LCM. LCM is 1 plus x into 1 minus x, 1 minus x square. So 1 minus x into 1, 1 minus x. This minus into minus plus 1 plus x. Okay, minus 1 by 2 times of 1 plus x square. In this x get cancelled. 1 plus 1, this 1 plus 1, 2 get cancelled. 1 by 2 times of 1 minus x square minus 1 by 2 times of 1 plus x square. In this 1 by 2 take out common. So let us do LCM. 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square. Okay. So after LCM 1 into 1 plus x square minus 1 into this value minus 1 plus x square. In this 1 get cancelled. X square plus x square 2x square by 2 times of 2x square by 2 times of. So 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square, we have 1 minus x to the power 4. So 2 get cancelled. So what is the answer? X square by 1 minus x to the power 4. Okay, look at the next question. X and y values are given. Then find out 1 minus x square into y2 minus xy1. Okay. So in options y combination is given. First, what is y1? dy by dx. So y2 is double derivative. d square y by dx square. First, we have to find y1. y1 is dy by dx. So derivative of y value given sin phi theta by derivative of x is cos theta. The differentiation of sin phi theta is cos phi theta into derivative of phi theta, right? Phi. Okay, with respect to theta. Derivative of cos theta, this will be minus sin theta. Okay. So y1 is equal to 5 into, we have sin phi theta value y, but what is there? Cos phi theta. So cos phi theta formula in terms of sin, root over 1 minus sin square phi theta upon minus sin theta formula, right? 1 minus cos square theta, root 1 minus cos square theta. So 5 times of root 1 minus sin phi theta. The sin phi theta place in right y square by minus into root 1 minus x square, where cos theta plus right x. Okay, let us do cross product. y1 times of denominator minus y1 into root 1 minus x square is equal to 5 into root 1 minus y square. Okay, but in this our target is 1 minus x square into y2. Okay, squaring on both sides first. Squaring on both sides. So y1 square into 1 minus x square is equal to 25 into 1 minus y square. Okay, now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x again. Okay, so now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. So by using uv formula, u into y1 square into differentiation of 1 minus x square plus 1 minus x square into differentiation of y1 square with respect to x equal to 25 constant, differentiation of 1 0 minus differentiation of y square is 2y, but y derivative y1, y square derivative 2y, but differentiation of y is dy by dx is nothing but y1. Okay, so y1 square into differentiation of 1 0 minus x square minus 2x derivative plus 1 minus x square into differentiation of y1 square is 2y1, but y1 differentiation y2. y1 square differentiation 2y1 into y2. This is 25 into minus 2y1. Okay. On left side, 2y1 take out common. 2y1. Okay, now I say that this value minus xy1 plus 1 minus x square into y2 is equal to this value 25 into minus 2 into y into y1. Both sides 2y1 get cancelled. Okay, so 1 minus x square into y2 minus xy1 is equal to, answer will be minus 25y. Option 4 correct. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Sin y is equal to x sin a plus y, then find out dy by dx. Okay, so from this equation x value sin y by sin a plus y. Okay, now applying derivative with respect to y on both sides. Okay, Like differentiation of x with respect to y, this will be dx by dy equal to, so by using u by v formula, v into sin a plus y into d by dy of with respect to y, u minus u into d by dy of sin a plus y upon sin square a plus y. Okay, this will be dx by dy equal to sin a plus y, derivative of sin y cos y. So with respect to y. So differentiation of y with respect to y 1. Okay. Next minus sin y into differentiation of sin a plus y cos a plus y. This whole divided by sin square a plus y. Okay. We have sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. What is the formula? Sin a minus b, where a place in a plus y and b place in y, right? A plus y minus y by sin square a plus y. So y get cancelled. This is dx by dy. But our target is dy by dx. Okay, the reciprocal of dx by dy. The reciprocal of this value is dy by dx. Okay, therefore we got it, dx by dy is equal to sin a by sin square a plus y. Okay, therefore dy by dx is equal to the reciprocal of this value, sin square a plus y by sin a. So this is answer. Thank you for watching. The remaining problems I will explain on next class.